The U.S. Supreme Court is reviewing a pivotal case, City of Grants Pass versus Johnson, which could redefine how cities address homelessness. The case centers on whether banning outdoor sleeping violates constitutional rights when no shelter is available. This decision follows the 2018 Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling in Martin versus City of Boise, which stated that cities cannot enforce anti-camping laws without sufficient shelter beds. Grants Pass argues that the Ninth Circuit's decision hinders efforts to manage encampments, causing public health and safety issues. Homeless advocates counter that these ordinances unjustly punish those with nowhere else to go, particularly impacting Black Americans. Despite being 13% of the U.S. population, Black Americans represent a disproportionate 40% of the homeless population. This disparity stems from systemic racism, including housing discrimination and economic inequality. During oral arguments, the Supreme Court justices appeared divided. Conservative justices questioned the need for constitutional protections, while liberal justices showed more sympathy for the homeless. The ruling, expected by June, will test the scope of Eighth Amendment protections and could have major implications nationwide. Black Americans face higher rates of eviction, lower home ownership, and greater economic instability, making them more vulnerable to homelessness. The case's outcome could either exacerbate or alleviate these challenges. If the court overturns lower court rulings, cities might gain more power to clear encampments, potentially criminalizing homelessness further. Conversely, upholding the Ninth Circuit decision could force cities to find more humane solutions. With homelessness rising, the ruling in City of Grants Pass versus Johnson could reshape how cities, especially those with significant Black populations, address homelessness. The decision will highlight the broader issues of racial inequality and systemic barriers facing Black Americans today. Read the full in-depth article at africanelements.org.